Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to change hand style very easily. So without any further delay, let's get started. Look at in our canvas, there are few objects available, right? Therefore if you want to change hand style for all the element, that time you have to click here. Look at, this is hand style option. I simply hit on here. After that you will get this window. Now you can pick any one, whatever you need. You can pick this one, or you can pick this one, or you can pick this one. Even you can check a preview by clicking on it like this. Can you get the point, guys? I just close it. Also you can check those category. Suppose I like this category. Please follow, there are lots of default hand style available, right? So if you want, you can use anything, whatever you need. Makes sense, huh? I want to see a preview for this. Just hit on here. Yes, if you like this, then you have to click on it. Otherwise, simply close it. Actually, right now I don't want to change. Therefore, I close it. Okay, at the same time, if you want to change hand style for only one element, for example, I want to change hand style for only this element. So I just select it. After that, you have to click properties option. Now choose drawing hand. Now for this element, I like this hand. So I select it and click on tick icon. Yes, it has been set. So now I will check it. To do that, simply hit on here. Yes, it's working perfectly. Do you understand, guys? Thank you very much for staying with me.